Welcome to our video, where we tackle a common problem many of us face when working with volumetric data from different brain regions. The challenge at hand involves organizing the data to simplify analysis in a more structured manner. We got a snippet of the initial data showcasing brain regions and their respective volumes, with some regions featuring additional overlaps information. Now, diving into the solution provided, we employ an awk script to manipulate the data effectively. The script is designed to check for consecutive lines with the same brain region and add an overlaps line when necessary. It cleverly identifies when to insert the overlaps line by tracking the presence of the keyword in the current line and the previous line. This ensures that each region is formatted consistently with the desired output. Continuing with the explanation of the solution, we see the awk script in action, processing the data and producing the desired output format. The script efficiently handles the different scenarios presented in the data, ensuring that each brain region is accompanied by the corresponding overlaps line, providing a comprehensive view of the information at hand. Moving on to a demonstration of the solution with a modified input file, we showcase how the script behaves when the last line does not contain the overlaps information. Even in this scenario, the script accurately processes the data, generating the expected output format, with the inclusion of the necessary overlaps lines for each brain region. Expanding further on the demonstration, we highlight the script's ability to handle diverse data sets effortlessly. In this example, we present a varied input file with multiple brain regions, each requiring consistent formatting with the corresponding overlaps line. The script executes flawlessly, showcasing its robust functionality across different data configurations. In conclusion, we've explored an efficient solution using an awk script to format and organize volumetric data from various brain regions. By following the provided code snippets and examples, you can streamline your data processing tasks with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below for more enlightening tech content. Who knew organizing brain data could be this fun, right?